things you do. I just can't get enough of you. It's that perfume that you wear and the way you do your hair that I love so much. And it's the simple things you say and how in bed we play. It's the way you kiss my cheek when you think that I'm asleep. I love it so much. I love you, words I never say. Friends make fun, but I tell you every day. Anyway, lately you've been getting me home safely. Wake up, love the coffee that you make me. Asking me how my night was, I like us. It's so easy and we don't ever fight, cause you don't blow up my phone when you're home alone, assuming that I'm doing what a guy does.